Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are discussing about various string operations. So let's start with string slicing. Here the first method we use the using the slice method. So here we take the basically the slicing. What we do by slicing. It's a technique used to extract a portion of a string based on specified indices. And in this code we take s1 equal to slice of 3. This slice object specifies slicing from the beginning up to index 3, meaning it will return the character at indices 0, 1 and 2. And then we take s2 equal to slice 1, 5 and 2, and this slice object specifies slicing from index 1 to index 5, which with a step of 2, meaning it will return characters at indices 1 and 3. And then we take s3 equal to slice of -1, -12 and -2. This slice object specifies slicing from the second to last character to the 12th to last character, and with a step of -2, meaning it will return character in reverse order. And performing if and then we performing the string slicing uh, method. And here this code demonstrates that if we print it, that the string of s1 slices the string python 3 using the slice object s1, resulting in p, y and t. And next the slices string of s2 slices the string python 3 using the slice object s2, resulting y and h, yh. And the string of s3 slices the string python 3 using the slice object s3, resulting the 3to. And this is the output of the first method, that the slice method. Then we are discussing about the list or array slicing method. The list or array slicing method basically which allows us to extract substrings from a larger string based on the specified indices or ranges. And in this code, string of colon 3 indicates string slicing from the beginning of the string up to index 3. So it extracts the characters at indices 0, 1 and 2, resulting in the substring ind. And if we print it, the code demonstrates that the extracted substring ind is printed as the output. So this is the two methods here, that the slice method and using the list or array slicing method. Then we are discussing about the isUpper and isLower method in Python. In Python, isUpper is a built-in method used for string handling. This method returns true if all the characters in the string are uppercase, otherwise it returns false. So here we take string equal to artificial, I mean and then if we print it, string dot isUpper, it basically checks if all characters in the string are uppercase and print the result. So here if we print it, it basically gives us true. And next, if we take the artificial intelligence, the mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, and if we print it, it basically checks if all the characters in the string are uppercase. So we can see that it basically the mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, so it basically gives us false. And next, the Python isLower method. In Python, isLower method is a built-in method used for string handling, and the isLower method returns true if all the characters are in the string are lowercase, otherwise it returns false. So as above, we saw that if we take string equal to artificial intelligence and all the characters are lower, and if we print it, string dot is lower, it basically gives us true. And if we take the mix of uppercase and lowercase letter, and if we print it, string dot lowercase is lower, it basically gives us false. So this is the examples of various string operations in Python. Thank you guys.